Good and welcome back. I am DeFroBro. I'm still setting up, but we are drinking one and vodka today. Let me get the light, and we shall begin. We are playing Village again, because it is frigging awesome, and I actually adore this game. I don't know why, I think it's the elements of the game that entertain me more than anything else, but we're going to click continue, and we are about, yes, we're going towards the stronghold. Let me get the shot poured so we can begin properly. Oh god. There we go. May has warned me already that this is the Viking stronghold for the Lycans. Like, it's an old ruin, but apparently it's for the Lycans, and he said it's the Vikings stronghold. I was like, what the hell's the Vikings? You went, no, the wolves. I was like, Lycans? He's like, Lycans, that's the one. I was like, oh dear, Jesus Christ, save us now. But I am going to try my best. It will stay the same. Anytime I get jump scared or die, I'll take a shot. I keep nipping this freaking charger cable. Yes, I know the battery levels are low. Don't know why they're low. I think I drained them in the last recording. The last one, I believe, we defeated Morius, the fish guy, whatever his name is. I didn't like that. I don't like water very much, but I kept strong to get through it. And all that's left is the arsehole. Before that, I wanted to check something. My mate mentioned something about the castle. He said go back towards it. I'm not cheating. He's not giving me any information. He just gives me hints here and there. He told me to go back to the castle. And is there anything about a statue I need to worry about? Because it's a bit strange just having a random statue in the middle with no purpose. But yeah, he said I wasn't supposed to open that yet, and I was lucky. I was like, I don't give a shit, lucky or not. But he told me to go this way, and there's something to the left. A reservoir of water. I see. He wants me to get a fish. I ain't saying no to extra fish. Oh, he warned me that it's going to get harder for me now, and he won't tell me why. I've asked him why, he just giggles at me. He's a prick. Alright, Marcus, I will punch him in the teeth. He doesn't watch my videos, he says he doesn't need to watch, he just needs to hear my experience first hand. Okay, from here, fish are completely gone, we have to go this way. Oh, I think he meant here, or which I did in the last episode, and all that's left is actually going to the stronghold. I'm checking to see if I can do anything with the fish I have now. Why don't I just... I swear there's one with, like... Ever. No? Nothing I can do with that? I wonder what this necklace is made for. The, what's it? Protection necklace, or I don't know what it's called. The Louise's necklace. Wait, was that it? It was a necklace for... Well, son of a bitch. I had that necklace all that time, and all I need to do is get the treasure from it. This should be. Okay. Two purses. That's quite a bit.
Please do take a look at my new stock.
I need one more poultry for that, and one fine fish, so I won't do anything yet. Okay, this is already maxed out, and this is that crap. Okay, so we turn back and yeah, save point. Okay, so we have our pistol, we have our shotgun, rifle. Alright, so now we go back to the way we went and go towards the stronghold instead. I don't know what the stronghold's going to hold for me, but I'm not going to try to fight every enemy. I'm going to try to blitz through as quickly as possible, because according to my mate there's not really anything important in the stronghold other than the flask. Does not mean I will enjoy said stronghold. Can you not be an asshole? Oh my god, you are being a literal asshole. Oh, you are going to be a wanker as well, are you? Pipe bomb, no. Heals, no. Something not to use these yet. Why do I feel also stay away? Crap. Can you not sneak up on me? I'll take shots when you do shit like that. Okay, so way up, way up, way up would be nice. Yes, I am panicking. I'm really taking a shot, leaving the fuck alone. Okay. Fuck off. That's what you get, asshole. Okay, get rid of that asshole as well. Pick up coins. I need some coinage, so I had to... Oh, my eyesight's annoying me. Okay. So there's two, alright. I think I'll be able to know if this was a way. Alright, so we need to take 2 trips in the gate. Awesome! Progress. Can we not? For 5 seconds, if you don't mind. That'd be lovely. Oh, come on, up we go. Up we go. Alright, I had to take a shot and get through this part. Whatever this part leads to, if there's anything after this, or if it's just literally I'm in the fort. I don't know, I don't know. I'm cracking both the doors. I'm cracking 9s right now, leave me alone. How many times do you take bullets to the fucking skull, Chief? Trying to piss me off. Oh my god, you are actually annoying me. Really? You jagged teeth prick? You know what, the door should be open right now, screw it. Okay. Stronghold. Right, before we get in, I'll take my shot for that fucker sneaking up on me. It was more of a panic than jump scare, but it was enough for a shot, and then I panicked when I was actually in the fort, so. No, 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 it's still going. Oh, Jesus Christ. Why aren't they following me? There's a fucking lot of crows. Okay, I can get the treasure under the stronghold. Wait, that's under the stronghold, so wouldn't it be in here rather than... Oh, door opening sequence. You know it's real shit when even has to open a fucking door. Alright, let's look around and grab what we can. Get those fat stacks while we're here. Some scrap, and what's in this box? Oh my god, handgun ammo, just what I need. Oh, 69. We're already there, we already made it. Okay. Here. Alright. They need herbs for the explosive and that's mad, man. Oh, that's crazy. Not like it's insane that that's the thing. It's just I never expected that. Wait, did I miss anything in here? Oh, excuse me. Maybe it's in this next plot. No, there's something in here either. You know what? I'm not leaving here till I find everything. Screw it. I'm gonna be stubborn. I can be stubborn. Yeah, I can't see it. Let's go. Fuck, I'm too impatient for this game. Most people can take their time and scour every... Yeah, no shit. Doing one, motherfucker. Bow. Okay, this shotgun shreds, not gonna lie. Thank you for effort in. Get out of my way. What you got? Thanks. Move. I'm shredding them. I'm literally just fucking plowing through them. I'm plowing through. Holy Christ, that's a lot. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I don't know where this is taking me, but I don't care. Fuck me. Was I supposed to be able to... sniper, I don't do that. Do anything about these guys? I've got one. I think I was falling off the edge. Get off! Fat fuck! You guys need to oh, that hurt. You know what? Let's play Tig. You're it. Alright, then we drop this. Put this down. How are you alive? Get off! You need work for this. To be an asshole? Cool, I can be an asshole too. Fuck yourself. Perfect crystal, thank you, I'll take that. Oh, me and my stubborn nature. One day it's going to be the death of me. Probably in this game more than anything else. But the definitely is definitely. Okay, that's all cleared. Then we open this. Is that magnum ammo? Oh baby, when you talk like this. Oh, I didn't want to do it like this. Sorry, I do like the magnum. Not gonna lie. Just because of the name, Wolfsbane. I think it's Wolfsbane, isn't it? Yeah. M1851 Wolfsbane. Revolver Magnum. Gorgeous. Let's hope we get some more shotgun ammo. I'm gonna try not to craft too much ammo to like. Shut up. Do I need it? And I was quite panic filled in the last part, but I'll leave it out for now till a bit later, just in case I get panic filled again. We're on 16. We're doing quite well. Well, this looks like a lovely place. Surprised you didn't see me. The king's orders from Iraq withdraw, saying that we must abandon the border stronghold to those heretics. But a little more time, I know I'll not be able to turn the tides. Nay, I should not put on airs my curiosity that ties me to this place. There are a number of ruins in the vicinity which the locals say are very ancient. The ceremony site, four giant statues, the cave with a memorial carved on the wall, the stone cliffer that calls the giant chalice. Where did the people who built them come from? Where did they go? It ikes me that we must abandon this place without knowing. Oh, it ikes you, does it? Oh, sorry, that orders ikes you so. Like, every sector of this place makes me nervous. And alright, that's a big drop off point. I'm gonna take a shot that I deserve for panicking when all those shitty lichen fox came. I half expected one of the lichen dogs to jump down. Really did. I'm glad it didn't. I really expected it. Okay.
That's not good.
You good? What's that noise? Wait a sec. Crap. Damn, he hurt. What the fuck's he doing? Oh crap. Okay, that's right. Oh crap, he's jumping me again, asshole. God damn, this guy's tough. Damn.
Eat shit.
Okay, I believe. Yeah, I agree, Ethan. It can literally eat shit for all I care. Fuck me. That was actually a little bit tougher than I expected. Oh, couple juice as well. Oh, lovely. Okay, everything has been cleared. Okay, so that's everything in here. So we have some more sellables. And we're the last flask.
You're the real deal, Ethan. Well done.
Quit hiding, asshole. I'm not letting you get out of this.
What was that?
Cool your jets. Just a little bit more,
Fuck
and you're
yourself.
all wrapped up. I'll lend you a hand. So in
Yeah,
exchange,
bitch.
In exchange, what?
First of all, come to me. Put all the flasks in the altar, and I'm sure you'll figure the rest out. See you, Ethan.
God damn it.
Pretentious prick. Oh, I can't wait to put a bullet in between his eyes. I better fucking be able to as well. Oh, that's the thing that they were mentioning. Oh, a boat? Okay. If I remember correctly, I went up and downstream in the last one to get that all cleared and sorted. We shouldn't have anything else we need to do other than putting the thing in the pedestal. Why are you spinning around? That's a waste of fucking energy. I'm not going back. What's down there? Anything useful? Anything nice? Knife ammo. Chems. Subject 174-11181. Ayana M. Male. Silversmith. Scars. Resort surfer. Fail to grow. Body transformation dropped. Another Leica. Sent. 21 feeling occupation. No history of illness. Death. 44 female, noble descent, doctrine of fish, disease, very high, no loss of germs, able to control blood transformation, control process, sent for observation. Okay. I got 2 in 1 just then. Stay down. I'm busy. anything else in here that I missed? Yep, definitely something in here. Where could it be? Does this open? Nope. I don't see anything that stands out that could possibly be something. Wait, what was that? Golden fish. Okay, now it's cleared. So the finest fish. Alright. We'll go up. Should we go find the finest fish? Just make sure that we've got everything done. Okay. You know what? I'll try it. It looks like it's at one of the fucking boat parts, and the only boat part I know is an upstream or downstream. So first, excuse me, let's head back, stick the flask in the hole, sell the Duke stuff, oh excuse me, and then we'll end the video. We'll be close to the end anyway. Okay.
Welcome, Ethan.
Before I do that,
This is something to splurge on.
crystal hammer,
I
point.
look forward to seeing the fruits of your exploration.
Okay, and then we'll go back this way anyway. Alright, so let's save, and thank you all for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. I will make the next episode a little bit longer. I promise that much, because we're going to get the golden fish, and by the time we get the golden fish and come back, then I'll add whatever time so I know. So thank you, and I hope to see you guys in the next episode. This is DeFroBro signing off. Bye bye.